Good afternoon, sir. So, by the way, my name is Ronel Rubio. So, I picked number six question. So, explain how the word theology was used and understood by Clement of Alexandria. So, Clement of Alexandria used theology to mean true knowledge of the divine things. So, it's a rational and spiritual understanding of God rooted in revelation and leading to salvation. So, the other one is number 13. So the question is explain how the word theology was used and understood by Karl Rahner. So Karl Rahner used the word theology to mean as the science of faith. So it's a disciplined methodological reflection of the divine revelation as received in faith. And for him, theology is not an optional but necessary because revelation has a conceptual and propositional element, and it demands critical reflection, clarification, and even dialogue with other areas of truth. So, thus, theology is both scientific in method and faith grounded in content. Thank you, sir.